friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the Noom Diet Menu, what it's all about, how it works, and exactly what a day of eating looks like on Noom. Whether you're trying to lose weight or just eat healthier, this video will give you everything you need to know. Let's get started. So, what is Noom? Noom is a psychology-based weight loss program that helps you understand your eating habits and make healthier choices. Instead of telling you what not to eat, it uses a color-coded food system to guide you green, yellow, and red foods so you can build your own balanced menu. Green foods. These are the healthiest and lowest calorie density foods like vegetables, fruits, and whole grains. You can eat these the most. Yellow foods. Moderate calorie foods like lean meats, yogurt, beans, and healthy fats. Eat these in moderation. Red foods. High calorie, low nutrient foods like sweets, fried foods, and processed snacks. You can still enjoy them but in smaller amounts. Here's an example Noom daily menu that's both satisfying and weight loss friendly. Breakfast. 1 cup oatmeal topped with fresh berries, a drizzle of honey. Snack. Apple slices with a tablespoon of almond butter. Lunch. Grilled chicken breast, steamed broccoli and carrots. Quinoa. Snack. Greek yogurt yellow with sliced banana. Green dinner. Balanced. Baked salmon yellow. Roasted sweet potatoes. Green spinach salad with lemon vinaigrette. Green treat. Red. A small square of dark chocolate because Noom says it's okay to treat yourself. Here are some quick tips for sticking to your Noom menu. Plan ahead. Meal prep helps you avoid last-minute unhealthy choices. Track everything. The Noom app helps you see your daily balance. Don't skip treats. It's about balance, not restriction. Drink plenty of water. It helps control hunger and keeps you energized. And that's your sample Noom diet menu for a healthy, balanced day. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more healthy meal ideas. And let me know in the comments if you've tried Noom before. I'd love to hear your experience.